I am not replacing the bag after 18 years. I'm giving it a new chapter. That's my philosophy of thoughtful luxury ownership. Investing in pieces we truly love, cherishing the pieces, maintaining them, allowing them to evolve with us over time, and extending their lives rather than constantly replacing them is true luxury. Today, in this video, I'll be talking about why I'm having the bag customized and how I am having it customized. I buy timeless pieces and I love to maintain everything I own. This is a lifestyle I was born into and thankfully it stuck. So this is a 2007 Lady Dior. It has been nearly 2 decades of wear and tears and still holds its structure beautifully. In my opinion, I think that says a lot about the quality of the older Dior lambskin and construction. So first, let's talk about why I'm having the bag customized after 18 years. Presently, the shape, quilting, and puffiness are still very good. The wear is mainly at the edge, darkening, corners, rubbing, slight yellowing, aging in the white. And let's not forget the handles. Wear is beginning. I could decide to buy a scarf just to, protect the straps, but the wearing in the corners are still there. To make any changes now while the bag is still very healthy before it gets worse. So that's why I'm having it changed. Furthermore, I'm giving a beloved bag a second life, preserving something I've genuinely loved and used. So, evolving it with me. So it's growing, it's changing, it's getting older with me. I just feel there's something elegant about an older piece, being restored instead of discarded. I could sell it, but I think I'm emotionally attached to it. And when it comes to quality, you don't find quality like this anymore. Next is the how. I would be sending these back off to the handbag clinic to have the color changed. I haven't decided on color yet, and I'm still working on that and would appreciate any, recommendations. I'm strongly leaning towards black. And that's because the gold hardware will pop beautifully. The wears to the corner will disappear. Lastly, the structure is good enough that it could genuinely look almost reborn. So follow me as I change the color. I would carry you guys along. Finally, in my opinion and from my experience, true luxury isn't always found in buying something new. Sometimes it's found in giving a treasured piece a second life. After almost 2 decades, my Lady Dior is evolving with me. I can't wait to create new memories with it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.